Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing these low profile rain guards by Xomzema. They've got a slim profile and they're going to stop rain from falling in your lap when you get out the Bronco. Let's go check them out. A big thank you to Xomzema for providing the product for this video. This is a 6-piece rain guard set made from a TPE material. It has a 3M style adhesive on the back and they are clearly marked left and right, with 3 pieces going down each side. And once you've installed them, you fasten them together with these small retaining screws. The first step is to put your top back and then clean the area thoroughly. And then I did a test fit just to make sure I knew how they were going to install. From there, I peeled back about 3 inches of the 3M style adhesive backing and laid it in place. Now before sticking it down firmly, I laid the other pieces down end to end just to make sure I knew where they're going to end up. And that's because there's a moulding on the back side of this and I wanted to make sure it lined up properly. When you're happy with the positioning, you can then peel off the backing film and stick it down firmly. Move on to the next portion, peel away some of the backing film and stick it in place. Take one of the small retaining screws and tighten these 2 pieces together. Now add the 3rd piece in the same way. Peel it back and stick it down firmly. Add the 2nd retaining screw on this side and tighten it down. Moving to the other side, again clean it down thoroughly before installation. When you've decided where you're going to put it, peel back the backing film and then stick it down. As you saw on the other side, you need to just peel back this weather stripping a bit and feed it underneath there. And if you don't get it right first time, the backing tape is forgiving and you can peel it up again. Moving on to the next panel, peel back the film and stick it down. Time for another retaining screw. Put it in, tighten it down. And now for the final piece of the puzzle. Peel back the backing tape. You know the scenario. Stick it down. And now add the final retaining screw. As you can see, it's a nice sleek, low-profile rain guard. It has a narrow channel that doesn't stick out too far from the vehicle. I live in Texas, so I'm simulating rain right now. And here you can see the water drains forward onto the windshield. Here are some sunlight shots so you can see it down the full length of the vehicle. And this is what it looks like with the top up. In our case, we've got a soft top, so it's a very minimal gap between the two. And here I'm showing how high up they sit, and they don't interfere with the glass at all when you open and close the doors. As you can see, a really easy install, but they do go together slightly different than other rain guards on the market. There's a couple of screws in there to hold them tight. They've got a narrower profile, and that means that they don't stick out too far from the Bronco. As you saw, the windows don't catch on them when you open and close the doors. Something I did notice though, was when you're driving down the freeway, there is a little bit of noise from them as the wind goes down past the soft top and through the channel. Just something to be aware of. But otherwise, they're a sleek, good-looking addition to the Bronco. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.